Hi, I'm Dr. Vimi, specialist dermatologist. Today I'll be discussing about the complications that follow acne. I always tell my patients that you have to aggressively treat your pimples. Once you develop scars, with whatever treatment that you do, we cannot completely erase it. So you have to aggressively treat your acne. Coming to the complication, the most common complication is the black spots that you develop following acne. The red spots or the pimples that you develop on your face, once it heals, it leaves black spots on the face. So doctors will be prescribing the retinol or the retinoid vitamin A derivative creams generally onto on the skin as an anti-acne treatment. So these retinoid creams has make your skin little sensitive to the sun. So whenever you get exposed to sun in the morning, you have to use a sunscreen. So make sure that you are using a sunscreen when you use retinol containing creams at night for your acne. Any pigmentation for that matter, sun exposure can aggravate it. So it's better always putting a sunscreen in the morning while you are on anti-acne treatments. And other than black spots, some they have an increased tendency to form red spots on the face. For these red spots, again this vitamin A creams will help. And in resistant cases, there are specific lasers for reducing the red spots, but all the clinics may not be having such specific lasers for it, but generally fractional CO2, which is mostly available, it will be the treatment that you can try for removing those red spots on your face. And coming to the most common complication is those depressed deep scars on your face. Now why you develop these deep scars? Because of that inflammation, the big pimples that you develop on your skin. Once it heals, it damages and the tissue underneath the skin is getting lost. So that's why you develop the depression. So any treatment that stimulates your skin to produce the collagen, the lost tissue is the lost collagen in your skin. So so all the treatments that will improve the collagen will improve the acne scar. Before doing any treatments, you have to do a treatment called subcision. Before patients were not aware about it, but now they are, at least some of them, they know about the importance of subcision. Now what is subcision? It's a minimally invasive procedure wherein we put we'll make the patient sit with a numbing cream, and we'll put a small nick underneath the skin, and through a blend cannula we just break the strands underneath the skin so that the acne scars get pulled up. And after doing this subcision treatment, you can combine with microneedling treatments that stimulate collagen, say microneedling RF, those heated needles, or the needling will poke your skin with the needles, and then that will stimulate your skin for collagen, or with various types of lasers like CO2, erbium YAG, or the Fraxel laser, we heating up your skin and stimulating your skin for collagen. So with whatever treatment, you are stimulating your own skin to produce the lost collagen. Now depending upon the severity of the scars, the depth of the scar, the treatment varies from one person to the other. The scars can be classified as very deep scars like the ice pick scars, or the box scars, or the rolling scars. The ice pick scars, it is very deep that it will not get completely filled in with the collagen, that improvement will not be that satisfactory compared to the other box scar or the rolling scars that you have. And whatever treatment that you do, you need a combination treatment, and you need multiple treatments to see a good improvement happening on the skin. So thanks for watching. Thank you.